Are you passionate about cars, automotive innovations, and the open road? Welcome to Car Craze Cave, where car lovers unite. Join us as a guest writer and share your expertise with an audience that lives and breathes automotive. Gain exposure, establish authority, and network with like-minded car enthusiasts. As a contributor to Car Craze Cave, you'll earn valuable backlinks, and your article will even be promoted across our social media channels. Whether it's the latest in automotive tech, electric vehicles, DIY maintenance tips, car comparisons, or even road trip adventures, we want your unique perspective. Here are some topics we love: automotive technology and innovations, car maintenance tips and DIY guides, auto reviews and comparisons, road trips and travel stories. Share your stories, tips, and insights with an audience that truly appreciates them. And guest posting on Car Craze Cave is your chance to be part of a passionate community. Share your expertise, connect with readers, and let your voice be heard. From the latest EV trends to helpful maintenance guides, you'll find a welcoming audience here. Here's what we look for: original content that's informative and beginner-friendly. Focus on automotive topics like tech, reviews, maintenance tips, and more. Aim for a word count between 800 to 1200 words. Use subheadings, bullet points, and include images. And keep it conversational. Talk to our readers like a friend sharing helpful advice. Ready to submit your article? Draft it, make sure it meets our guidelines, and send it to info@carcrazecave.com. We'll get back to you within 3 business days. And if approved, your work will be featured for car enthusiasts everywhere. Wondering if you need to be an expert? No worries. Whether you're sharing personal stories or the latest tech review, we're looking for unique perspectives. We allow 1 or 2 relevant links, and will help polish your submission to make it shine. If you love sharing automotive insights, we'd love to have you on board. Get in touch with Car Craze Cave today, and let's fuel the passion for cars together. We can't wait to read your stories and share them with our amazing community of enthusiasts. Car Craze Cave, where your automotive journey finds its audience.